What is going on, fellow MTB shredders? Today we are going to be clearing more trails in my backyard, and we're going to be building yet another North Shore Skinny. So right now I'm up near the trailhead. You can see we got the roll-in right there, and right around here, this is where the thorn bush, the real trail, goes. And then we have Creek's Edge further over there, and then we have like the kind of climbing / access trail right there. Well, in the midst of all these trails and access trails and features and stuff, there's this section, which is 100% debris, sticks, logs, and the thorniest vines on earth. And today, what we're going to be doing is clearing out all, or at least most of, these thorny ivies and making some new kind of fun trails, techie trails, flow trails. And I would like to maybe even make a new climbing trail so we can climb up to the roll-in like we used to be able to do before we added the North Shore drop. And basically, my idea is you'll be able to roll in off the roll-in, ride somewhere through here, and then you're gonna come through here. We'll fill this with dirt. We have this old kind of dirt berm and little dirt kicker that I built a while ago. And it needed a lot more dirt and logs to be good. It doesn't really work. So we're gonna scrap this. I'm gonna clear out some of these weeds. And the goal is you'll be able to ride straight through here, get a few big cranks in, and hit a creek gap. And this gap is going to be anything but small because, I mean, look at this. This is like 10.5 feet. So my goal is to build a gap jump. If I find out that we don't have enough speed for a gap jump, we'll build some sort of maybe bridge or something. But either way, this should be sketchy and awesome. Let's get building. Okay guys, I'm heading over to the new North Shore Ladder Bridge Skinny thing we just built. I'm gonna go ahead and test it out. I'm super pumped to try this. I will work on this off camera, and I promise next time you see this in the videos, it won't be as death-defying. It'll be still death-defying, but fun. Thank y'all again. I will see y'all on the next MTB adventure. Peace out.